When you're given a license for Micromine Spry, you should receive a link to the downloads page and a passcode. If you didn't receive a license, contact the software administrator at your organisation for assistance or contact Micromine. We're only going to cover how to use a cloud license to access Spry. If you need a license that allows you to access Spry without an internet connection instead, contact the software administrator at your organisation for assistance or Micromine. You'll need the Spry 64-bit installer and the license administrator installer. After the downloads are complete, open the files and they'll run automatically. After both installers run, if you have not yet entered your license key, Spry won't open. The license key you need to enter is the passcode you received earlier. You can enter your license key in the License Administrator. Next is an example of a common mechanism in Spry. You'll often need to right-click to access vital functions in the context menu, such as when you need to add something new. This passcode is just an example. If you entered your passcode in the License Administrator but didn't enable cloud licenses, Spry will still not open. You can enable all your active cloud licenses back in the License Administrator. Get more how-to videos like this one, plus lots more in the Micromine Learning Management System. Register at micromine.com/training/online-training-portal-registration.